Welcome to the instruction video for our ready-mixed permeable jointing mortar, ROMPOX ECOFINE. In the following video we will show you step by step how to apply the paving grout properly in order to achieve an optimal result. ROMPOX ECOFINE is a ready-to-use one-component paving joint grout that hardens after reacting with oxygen in the air. The product is available in different colors and container sizes. The grout can be used all around the house for grouting almost all slabs with a joint width of 5 mm respectively 1/4 inch or more on pavers and 3 mm respectively 1/8 inch or more on porcelain and natural stone. Thanks to its outstanding properties and strength, ROMPOX ECOFINE is especially suitable for driveways and porcelain that are laid on our permeable, settlement-free bedding compound, ROMPOX Trass bed, and around pools. For application, you will need a garden hose with a sprayer, a rubber squeegee and a fine coir broom. We recommend the use of protective gloves. To prepare the grouting, you should first mask off adjacent surfaces with adhesive tape. Then the surface to be worked on must be pre-wetted intensively. Higher substrate temperatures require more intensive pre-wetting. Now open the lid of the ROMPOX ECOFINE bucket. Remove the vacuum bag. Cut it open and immediately pour the mortar in portions onto the well pre-wetted surface. Afterwards, you should wash the paving joint grout with a soft jet of water and a rubber squeegee into the joints to ensure that the joints are completely filled. Please note that ROMPOX ECOFINE must be continuously slurried with plenty of water. After slurry application, no further compaction is necessary. Grout residues can be rinsed off the surface with a fine jet of water but without washing out the joints. For the final cleaning, sweep the stone surface carefully with a damp coconut broom until all grout residues have been removed. When doing this, sweep diagonally to the joint. Once the stone surface has dried, it may be necessary to sweep again with a dry broom. Chamfers or bevels on the paver and slab coverings must be uncovered. In case of drizzle, no rain protection is necessary. In continuous or heavy rain, the freshly grouted surface must be protected for approximately 24 hours. Construction sheeting or tarpaulins used for this purpose may be laid directly on the surface. Saving the best until last, ROMPOX ECOFINE consists of 98% natural, recycled or renewable raw materials. It is produced with solar power and the bucket is made of 97% recycled material. The paving grout has won several awards and is able to withstand traffic loads. It offers a very long open working time and is practically resin film free. ROMPOX ECOFINE is much stronger than similar paving grouts on the market. Ultimate and universal.